question number 10th. Handling missing the student feedback values. Discuss approach such as ignore tuple, filling manually, filling the constants, mean, median, mode imputation, class specification imputation, or the most probable value method. So, how to handle missing student feedback values? So when students skip questions in feedback form or leave field blank, it creates missing data. If we don't handle it properly, it create missing data. So if we don't handle it properly, our analysis become wrong, biased, and misleading. So today we will look at simple practical methods used to deal with missing feedbacks. So first, what exactly a missing value? So whenever a student leaves a feedback question blank or information is unavailable, we call it missing value. So before analyzing feedback data, we must handle these missing entries so that results are accurate and meaningful. So methods of ignoring tuple. The first method is ignoring tuple or simply deleting rows with missing data. This works only when a few students missed a question. For example, if only two students out of 200 left a rating blank, we can move those two records. So this method is fast, easy, but we shouldn't use it when it may response are missing because you may lose valuable information. Second is fill manually. The teacher here a teacher or administrator fill the missing value by checking other records. For example, if a student forget to mark gender, the teacher can check the database or fill in male or female. This method works only when the data set is small and the correct value is known. Filling with constant. Another simple method is filling missing value with constant such as zero and none and not given. Uh, this is quick and useful when the missing value does not affect calculation much. However, using a constant too often can distort results. So, moving on to the mean, median, and mode imputation. The mean imputation, we replace the missing value with average of columns. This works well for numerical feedback like rating or marks. Median imputation, we use middle value. This is especially helpful when the data has outliers. And mode imputation, we use the most common value in the column. This works well for categories like yes, no, responses, gender, or rating groups. Moving on to the section section 6. The most probable value prediction imputation. In class specific imputation, we feel missing value based on the group the student belongs to. For example, if second year student normally rate teaching quality as 4, then any missing value in that group can be filled with 4. This method keeps group devices intact and improve accuracy. The most advanced method in predictive imputation where we use model to estimate the missing value. For example, we can predict a missing lab rating using attendance, theory, rating assignments, performance. This method is most accurate, but it requires more time and computational effort. So missing a student feedback value can seriously affect educational decision making. We can handle them by deleting rows, filling manually, using constant, mean, median, or mode, class specific value or predictive models. So guys, that's it for the question number 10. We have covered all the sections and whatever was asked in the question. Now in the in the next video we will cut kar dena. So guys, this is it for the question number 10. We have covered all the uh, questions asked, and moving on to the next video we will be covering question number 11, so stay tuned.